If your siding has seen better days and it looks like it's time to be replaced, then it's probably time to find a contractor. And this is not a decision you should take lightly. Here's some things you should think about as you begin your research. Hi, I'm Steve with Pacific Exteriors, and if you're noticing your siding's beginning to fail, then it's time to find a contractor to fix it. Your home is your biggest investment, so finding the right company the first time is really important. The number one indicator of a good company is going to be online reviews, so make sure you check places like the BBB, Yelp, Google, and just look at previous customer experiences to make sure it's a good fit for you. Siding is a big investment, and a bad contractor will void a manufacturer's warranty, so make sure you get a certified contractor for whatever product you go with. Replacing your siding is not necessarily weather dependent, but it's certainly important that your contractor is familiar with operating in places like Washington and Oregon, where rain is common almost year-round, and making sure that walls are protected during the process. So having at least 5 years experience as a contractor is extremely important. Remember, 50% of businesses fail within the first 5 years. It's important to make sure the contractor you've chosen is also a verified, licensed contractor that has the certifications for the products that you're having installed and has the insurances, workers' comp, and all the other things that make them a legal operating contractor in your state. Construction is not an exact science, and so it's important to ensure that you've got a licensed, bonded, and insured contractor performing the work. Things do come up, and if they do, you want to ensure that there's money there to pay for it. These are the things you should be considering while researching a contractor. If you're in our service area, visit our website and ask for a free quote. Thanks for watching.